What is up, guys? Exolics Edits here. I'm going to show you how to get BCC7 for Sony Vegas. I'll have the download in the description. Basically, when you open up, you'll have two folders like this, and you want to extract both of them to your desktop. And mine is right here and right here. So this is a cracked installation, and it's basically like to crack it, and this is like the original file right here. So you just want to run that, the original one in the folder, and just click yes, and it will install. It's right here. It might get frozen, like it might get stuck right there, and just wait for it and let it load. And it's like BCC7. Alright, and you're gonna go to the little yeah, there we go, installation with the wizard. Next, serial number, which is the trial code. It's not really a trial, it's like the complete version. And you just want to copy it. Minimize that. Just put anyone. Hit next. Hit complete. Hit next. Install. And just basically, it's a trial. So I'm sorry, it is a trial. And when you load this one up, it will crack it. So you will actually have the complete whole version. And sorry about the background noise. Let it load. Install, I mean, you know, same thing. It might take a while. It might even take longer if you have a slower computer. Alright, it's done. Now you want to hit this one and hit yes. And this will basically crack it. And hit next. Exit, and you are done. You have BCC7. You know what? Let's just load it up. And it might take a while since it is installing all the plugins for BCC, all the video effects and the transitions. Sorry about that. But I'm working on this edit. You'll see it on my main channel on SynProxy. Yeah, you'll see it, and you have a lot more video effects. Yeah. So yeah, guys. The only thing that does not work is extruded text. I'm not sure why. Hit yes. But extruded text does not work. I'm not sure why. I mean, you can add it and all, but it'll like show that it won't work or anything. Yeah, extruded text does not work. I don't know why. Everybody usually gets it for that, but you know. And it still says purchase, but don't worry, you don't have to purchase it. So, but that's it, guys. Hope you like it. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.